Okay, friends, if you look at your paper, today we're going to be learning how to add with place value blocks. We've been doing this a lot lately, haven't we?
Yes.
So this should be easy for us. Let's look at number 1 and let's read it together. Everyone put our fingers on the name Hannah. Hannah read 175 pages in her favorite book. Over the weekend, she read 124 more pages. How many pages has Hannah read so far? Write an equation and show your thinking. See all this space here? That space is for us to show our work, show our thinking. But first, friends, I want us to point out a word in that story problem that tells us if it's going to be an addition or subtraction problem. What's that word? Sakara?
Had.
Nope.
Oh,
What's that word? Emma? Do you know what that word is that tells us that it's an addition problem? That gives us that clue? Oh, we're not doing that.
Okay.
Abrielle.
More.
It says, over the weekend, she read 124 more pages. That tells us that we're going to be adding, right? Now, if I had to write an equation to solve this story problem, what would my equation look like if I were writing it with numbers? If I were solving it using numbers, what would my story problem look like? Yes, Xavier. Bless you.
No, I can't.
Okay, so everyone, write that in the corner on your paper somewhere, and I'd like you to solve that. Try solving that for me.
Okay.
I would like you to solve that for me. Bless you, bless you. Do you need to go to the bathroom and get a drink? Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Friends, let's do this together first, and then you can give me a thumbs up or thumbs down if you did or did not get the correct answer. Let's look at the ones column. We always start adding from our ones column. Look here. We have a 5 and a 4 in our ones column. So let's add our 5 and our 4 first. If we had 5 and 4, what did we get, Sakara?
9.
9. Look here, friends. This is an easy way to add, to make a 10. We know 5 and 5 is 10.
Boo-boo.
So 4 is 1 less than 5. So we know then that 4 and 5 must be 1 less than 10. So 4 plus 5 must be 9. 9. Good. Then we add our 10s. We have a 7 and a 2 in our 10s column. What is 7 plus 2, or Shemaya?
9.
9. Good.
It's a double.
And then we have 1 plus 1 in our hundreds column. What's 1 plus 1? Shyla? 2. Good. So our answer is 299. Thumbs up if you got that answer correct. Awesome. Now, friends, if say I didn't choose to add this way, but I chose to add using place value blocks, what would my picture look like? Can anyone come up here and draw me what my picture would look like? Shamiria, come on up here. Draw me a picture of what my place value blocks would look like. If I wanted to solve my problem using place value blocks, I want you to show me this one plus this one using place value blocks. So don't do this yet. Okay, so show me 175 in place value blocks. Good. How much is that so far? How much is this so far? 100 and?
20 fish.
120 so far. Good. So we have to keep making some more 10s. Are we watching, friends?
Yeah.
Okay. As you're watching, I want you to draw what Shamiria is drawing because she's doing a lovely job so far. is your last one? Good. Those are great tens blocks. So we have 170. How many ones do we need? 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. Now, we're adding how many? How many? Can you draw that for me? How many are we adding, Shamiria?
124.
Good, 124.
Yeah, it's over there.
Yep.
It's over there. Crazy.
Good, I see some beautiful drawings. I see some great work. Everyone is
What,
following
every
along.
single-
Want to go? Oh, you were deceiving. You know what? I want you to go get a drink. Okay? And
Done.
then, if it's still here, go get an ice pack. Okay?
I'm done.
Awesome. This is 124. Friends, let's go over these numbers just to make sure Shamiria is right. She drew a hundreds block for the number 175 because we have a 1 in our hundreds place. So she drew 100, right? Then she looked at our tens place and she noticed she had how many tens, Shyla?
5.
Oh,
7.
7. We have 7 tens. And how many tens did she draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And each 10 is worth how many? How many ones is each 10 worth, Sakara? Well, each 10 is worth how many ones?
10.
10. It's worth 10. So let's count by tens. 7 times. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So we have our 170. And then she drew how many ones? How many ones did you draw, Shamiria?
5.
5, because she had a 5 in her
200
ones
with
place.
that.
So she drew
Why'd you do
1,
that?
2, 3, 4, 5.
Why'd you do this?
1,
Don't do
2,
this.
3,
Don't do this,
4,
Ty.
5. Now, friends,
Don't do this.
then she noticed there was an addition problem, so she needed that plus sign, didn't she? She needed
Don't
the
do
plus
that.
sign,
Don't
which
do
shows
this.
that we're going to be adding
Don't do
all
this.
of those numbers together.
Don't do this.
We're adding 175 to 124. So we need to draw our 124 with our
do this.
place value blocks. We have what in our hundreds place? What number do we have in our hundreds place? Xavier? What number do we have? We have a 1, which means the value of the 1 in a hundreds place is 100, right? So, she drew 100 again. She had how many tens in her tens place? Azaria? Okay, you know what? We're not talking about that right now. Azaria, how many tens do we have in the tens place? 2. Good. So she drew 2 tens. 10, 20. And how many ones did we have in the ones place? Shyla?
4.
4. Good. So she drew 1, 2, 3, 4. Now an easy way to add all these together would be to first count our hundreds, right? Let's first add our hundreds together. We have one set of 100 plus one set of 100. So how many hundreds do we have?
9 minutes and 10 seconds.
Shyla?
2.
We have 2
9
hundreds.
minutes
So
and
we have
16,
200.
17, 18, 19,
Now, well, cross those off because we
21,
added those already.
22, 23.
Now let's add our tens. Let's look at our tens. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, plus 20 more. So we have 7 tens plus 2 tens. What's 7 plus 2? Shemaya? 9. So we have how many? 9 tens has the value of what? 90. Good. So we have 200 plus 90. And then we add our ones. We have 5 ones plus 4 ones. What's